潔良一エゴイスト愛しいんだ君らエゴイスト潔良一俺もストライカーだ
Filthy monkey who can't even use jujutsu.
She know what she wanted and had to go get it with